Alright, we're going to give it another try here. What time you got?
9:01, 9:02, just changed.
Alright, there's something over there and it's lower.
Over where?
But it looks like a jet. But it's definitely lower than the other ones.
There's your boom.
Well, whoa. Whoa, I heard it.
It's gone.
But that's a jet over there, so I don't know.
It's gone. They said they hear the boom after it passes.
Wow.
Hot damn.
I heard that.
Woohoo!
Wow. Where'd it go?
It's gone.
That was cool though.
Wasn't it?
We'll go watch it land on TV.
That's the first sonic boom I ever heard.
Is it really?
Yeah.
It's funny how it's a double one. It's always a double one. There's a reason for that.
Is it? I never heard that.
Okay, there it is. I can see it. I see it. I know that's got to be it. That is not a jet.
Oh, you look.
I can see it. I'm guarantee you that's it. Wait a minute, I could be wrong.
It's going the wrong way.
Well, here's something else coming overhead, but that's another plane. But way over there, it looks like it could be it. Right about. Here's another jet or something coming right overhead. Wait a minute. The one way over there, though, could... This is a jet. Wait, is this a jet right here?
Yes.
See, but the sonic boom would have come...
After it passes.
I don't know about that.
Well, that's what the scientists are saying.
Yeah, that's probably a jet up there.
Amazing. You heard it here. Just for you.
That was awesome. That's a jet right there. All right, let's go see if it's landing on TV. And we got the tape rolling still. Woohoo! That was pretty cool. All right. You got 13 on?
Yeah.
I think that was it off to the distance. I really do. I really think I saw it off to the distance.
We got an exact address, Reformation Drive. Appreciate that. 904 Port Orange.
Yeah, are you guys scared?
Excuse me, guys. Hey, puppies. I got it on zoom mode. I'm going to kind of... Here we go. Excuse me. Hello. You're okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Oh, that's too cool.
Wow, that's beautiful, isn't
My
it?
dad would have loved that.
That is so beautiful.
Take a look, there is a little bit of cloud cover, so making that high school. Right in Titusville. Sonic Boom heard in Maitland.
Sonic Boom heard Maitland, that's where Joni is.
Beautiful strike. Space Shuttle Discovery.
Sonic boom was heard here, that's for sure. Deltona.
Right ahead of it, and after this, one more launch, one more landing.
Are you calling Joni or you calling them?
Joni.
Oh.
Hey, give me a call back, okay? Bye.
Oh, there it is. There it comes. You know, I think I saw it because way off to the distance, I couldn't hear a jet that direction, but it was going right along the line where you would think it would be coming in from a landing mode. And there was no, well, I didn't see any of that tail, whatever you call it, the trail behind it. I may have actually seen it.
Did you get a film?
It's too far away. I mean, I could barely see with my eye. Here we come.
Come on.
Come on, baby, you can do this. You only get one shot at it, too. It's a glider right now. There's no motor going, no engine going.
Rhode Island Wildlife Refuge.
Isn't that amazing how they can land that after being in space?
Yeah, you're about to see the pin.
Come on down.
You gotta have an extra long runway. Isn't that amazing how they can do that so perfectly? Wow. Touchdown, baby. Woo! Wow, that is beautiful. Nice job. Shuttle Discovery. I've been right there too. At, well, yeah, at Kennedy Space Center.
Beautiful. Another
Wow.
safe one.
Oh, that was nice.
Aren't you glad I woke you up now?
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you. Thank you very much. Yoo-hoo! I have it kind of on a zoom mode, so they probably were just looking at my nose. All right, it's down. It stopped.
Discovery, welcome home.
Welcome home.
Congratulations to you and the crew on an outstanding mission. There are no medium post-landing deltas. We'll meet you on page 5-3 of the entry checklist.
5-3 entry checklist.
It was a great mission. We enjoyed it. We enjoyed working with you and all the teams at Mission Control. And we're glad that the International Space Station is stocked up again. Thanks a lot.
Commander Alan Poindexter, Dex is his call sign. Thanking Houston. We'll stop. They are home. 15 days in space.
9:10.
15 days,
64
2
degrees.
hours and 47 minutes and 12 seconds if everything went according to schedule. So,
Perfect.
Greg, beautiful landing once again.
I am my friend in Pennsylvania.
It didn't look that way at the get-go. Had all that fog in the area. Well, that fog, that went away quick. And we have ourselves a...
Yeah, it did go away quick, huh? Cleared up when that sun came out.
Still getting a lot on our chat, a lot of people, and we want to keep it coming.
Wait, let's see. Hey, call them.
I don't know what the number is.
Boom Boom, that's the double sonic booms, I think they said in law.
Yeah, the double booms.
434, and, well, I've lost it now. They're coming in so fast, Greg. By the time I try to read it, it's gone up off the screen again.
Oh,
Booms and PM.
www.cfnews13.com. Oh, they probably have a blog somewhere.
Man, because I'm at work.
Oh,
Yeah, I wonder where in Orlando. Of course, Orange County between Goldenrod and Forsyth. Let us know what people to work who are going to spend all day, I think.
oh, here they go.
Plotting these pins because we've got so many coming up, but that's beautiful. We're looking forward to it. Space Shuttle Discovery, home, what a flight, what a mission. It's going to take a while now. Somebody asked me earlier about safing it. That's what they will do. You've talked about the convoy. They'll all go out there.
Oh, there it is coming in again. Look how beautiful that is.
So easy, huh?
To get it so perfect, I mean, to think that thing's coming in like a glider from outer space, and to get it to land just where it needs to land perfectly.
Well, I guess if they can hook up in outer space, this must be easy.
Oh man, I don't know. That's just incredible to me.
Remember when we used to splash down?
Yeah,
And
yeah,
race to get the people
yeah,
out of
yeah. In the water,
the water?
in the little capsules. It
Yeah.
wasn't like this.
And they never were quite right there.
Wow. That is just beautiful. And to think it just landed, what, how many miles away is that? Like 25, 30, the most?
Yeah. You know, the first time I saw
Shuttle Discovery
a launch,
down at 9:08
I started crying.
15 days in space.
It was so emotional.
Yeah, it's
A lot of resupply.
amazing.
Little problems with bolts when they were out on spacewalks, but they got around those.
I didn't cry, though.
I guess the valve up there.
All right, I'm going to sign off now.
They had a challenging time up there at times. And,
Peace out.